Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel, and for today's video this is a special episode of one of our videos because the boys only went by themselves to a trip. So they're going to a rainforest here in Tofino, and of course they will show you around. Hang in there and watch what it looks like inside the rainforest.
Say hi. Where'd it go? Where's the squirrel? Hmm? Mama's at the trailer.
Up, up. So big.
So big. Big trees.
What's that?
And tall, huh?
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
What's this? Yeah, those are some kind of plants. Look how green they are. Look at this creek. Hmm? Hmm? There's no fish in there, huh? Welcome to Commerce Beach. You ready, Ka?
What's that?
What's that? Let's go. Let's see what it is.
What is?
Oh, what is that? Huh? Let's go to. Oh, you're looking at the bear and the wolf.
No, no, no. You. What? Walking. Up.
So this is the beach. It's a little foggy. Okay. Can't see anything. So much fog. It's all fog. Huh? You can't even see the water. Good guy. There's some people in the distance. Touch the seagulls? I don't think they would like that. Huh?
Toss seagull. Toss seagull. Seagull. Toss seagull. Toss seagull. Toss seagull.
I don't think they would like that, Kai.
Toss
Huh?
seagull. Toss seagull.
Come on. Action. Are you getting exercise, Kai? Huh? You getting exercise? Whew. Papa's getting exercise. More? Yeah. Huh? Look at the ocean. What do you want?
The boys had really a busy morning. They went out for the rainforest and then they went to the Commerce Beach. And I didn't go with them because I was not really feeling well in the morning. And I told them, like, just go instead of just staying here and doing nothing. So that's why you didn't see me in that video. Then in the evening, we went out to the beach, to the Cox Bay beach, to watch the sunset because they've said that they have a nice sunset here and we want to see that too. Just a nice relaxing evening. So during that time, I think it was around 9:25 in the evening, we were out to watch that sunset. And it's still bright. As you can see, there were also a lot of people at the beach, even it was already around 9 in the evening. They just wanted to see as well, I think, the sunset. And the weather there, it feels like winter. And as you've noticed, we're really wearing jackets. And even people there like wearing their winter jackets. So it was so nice. It was so relaxing and so peaceful. Even it's a bit windy and cold, as you can see me there, like. So anyway, it was a good experience really. And if we're going back again in Tofino, this is one of my list, things that I want to do if we're going to visit again Tofino. Just watch the sun going down. It's so nice. I mean, I don't know, I feel like this is a nice thing to do. Just so peaceful, not just in my eyes but in my soul. Anyway, this is the end of the video. We do hope you did enjoy this episode, the rainforest walk with the boys and the Commerce Beach. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you will be notified for the next coming video. And don't forget to like this video if you do like this video, and you can write as well your comment in the comment sections. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video. Bye guys!